Designing an engagement ring can feel like a huge feat. But at Brilliant Earth, we want it to feel easy and fun. And we've designed our experience so that it does. And if you don't believe me, let me show you. I'm going to break down exactly how easy it is to design your own engagement ring online. Let's get started. First, let's go to engagement rings, then design your own engagement ring. Up at the top, we'll see a bunch of filters up here. So if you know exactly what you're looking for, this can help you narrow down a lot, or even if you kind of know what you're looking for. Let's say you don't, though. You just want to scroll through and see all the options that we have to offer, or maybe get some inspiration. There are so many different ring styles that you can peruse. There's nature inspired, three stones, solitaire. You can definitely scroll on and find so many different beautiful rings. Once you find a ring that you're interested in, you can click into that ring and see the individual rings page. You can click through the different metal options to kind of get a view of how it changes from yellow gold to rose gold to platinum. You'll also see some different shape filters so you can see what it looks like in a pear or what it looks like in an oval. If the ring has different offerings, like different widths or versions with a hidden halo or without a hidden halo, they will also be on this page. After you feel like you found the setting, it's now time to pick a diamond. We offer both naturally mined diamonds as well as lab created diamonds. You can filter for exactly what you're looking for, whether that be a natural or a lab. There'll be different carat ranges that you can select. You can filter by price. If you don't know what you're looking for, there's some toggles for most sparkle or best balance that are really helpful. There's also the rest of the C's like cut, color, and clarity. Again, there are so many different diamonds, so you can explore exactly what you're looking for and find the perfect diamond. Once you've found the perfect diamond, go ahead and click on it. And if you want to see additional imagery, videos, etc., it'll be there. Finally, you're going to pick the ring size. We do have a complimentary resize policy, so no need to stress about this, but we need to make the ring in a specific size, so you'll go ahead and click that size. From there, we'll go ahead and design the ring. It takes about 2 to 3 weeks for the ring that you saw on your screen to become a reality. And believe me when I say it's going to be even more beautiful in person than it will on your screen. If you're someone who likes to shop for things in person, you can of course visit one of our showrooms. And we also have virtual appointments, so if you need a little bit more assistance but can't make your way into a showroom, then it's perfect. If you like this video, don't forget to like and comment, and of course, please subscribe so we can keep you updated on all things jewelry. Bye!